How to log in to PayPal without phone number verification. Quick and easy guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your PayPal account even when you don't have access to your phone number for verification. This is useful if you lost your phone, changed numbers, or can't receive SMS codes. Step 1. Try email verification. First, go to the PayPal login page and enter your email and password like normal. When PayPal asks for a phone number verification, look for the option that says "Try another way" or "I can't access my phone." If email verification is available on your account, PayPal will send a security code to your email instead of your phone. Open your email, copy the code, paste it, and you're in. Step 2. Use security questions. If email verification doesn't show up, you might see the option for security questions. These are questions you created when setting up your account, like your city of birth or first school. Answer them correctly, and PayPal will let you proceed without needing your phone. Step 3. Confirm through device recognition. If you've logged in before on the same phone or laptop, PayPal might recognize your device. In this case, PayPal will let you log in without a code, or it may send a notification to your email automatically. Just check your inbox and follow the link to confirm it's you. Step 4. Contact PayPal support. If none of those options work, don't worry, there's still a solution. Go to the PayPal Help Center and choose Call Us or Message Us. Explain that you can't access your phone number. They'll help you verify your identity using documents like your ID or email. After verification, they can remove the old phone number and help you log in. And that's it. That's how you log into PayPal without using your old phone number. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.